Oh, there it is. Alright, so let's get cracking with this installation. The first thing I need to do is remove the sissy bar from my motorcycle. And if you have a sissy bar like this, what you want to do to have this removed is push up on this little lever right here and then flip it. And you're going to want to do that on both sides. So let me put the camera down so I can use two hands. So now that we got the sissy bar off, I need to remove the seat to access the electrical panel. All right, and then all we need to do is lift up on the seat and slide it backwards. Comes right off. Now we need to take this cover off. To do that, there's a tab underneath here. See that tab? We just lift that and pull the cover straight off. Just like that. So now we have access to our electricals, the module that we need. This is the CAN, or controller access network. And you can see we have some metal pins in there. There's 6 of them. That means this is a 6-pin connector. All right. So we take a look at our module here. And we make sure we have 6 female pin inlets. It matches. Plug it in. Snaps right into place. All right, so what we're going to do first is make sure that we've got a connection. The manual says to turn on the ignition, turn on the run, but do not start the engine. We now see some green lights flashing. It's looking for a phone to pair. We've got our phone here. Now we go into the Bluetooth section and one new device found. And you want to make sure that that VIN dash whatever the numbers are the last 6 digits of the VIN number for your motorcycle. All right, so we've got our fuel pack assigned to the VIN. So once we hit this button, it's going to stay married to my motorcycle and my motorcycle only. I won't be able to use this fuel pack on any other motorcycle. All right, so now we've got Bluetooth pairing. All right, it's checking for firmware updates. Looks like there is a firmware update from Vance Hines, so I'm gonna go ahead and install that now. All right, so the update is done. Just a pro tip, if you have any questions about what to do next, or the little booklet that comes with the fuel pack isn't very detailed. So if you click on this little icon up here next to the share icon, so this one with the little I, it'll take you into the user's manual for the fuel pack. And in here you can see all the detailed information about removing your seats or product setup, and then detailed map information. All right, so now that we've got our firmware updated and we're ready to look for a map, we hit map lookup. You want to make sure you have a strong internet connection and be pretty close to your bike so the Bluetooth connection doesn't drop out. So we're going to look for our exhaust manufacturer. On Ebony, we have Vance Hines. We have the short shots. We have a standard baffle. Our engine size is 103. All right, so then at the bottom, it gives you a summary of the options you chose. The manual says that all of the maps are tuned or dyno tuned for high flow air filters. That's the one we're going to choose. All the details check out. We hit flash. It's going to give you a general warning. Just hit continue. It's downloading the map from the server, linking the fuel pack to the bike. All right, so now it's backing up the original settings with Vance Hines servers. Now it's flashing the new map to the bike. Now it's telling me to turn the bike off for 15 seconds. I can share that. I'll go ahead and share. No, I'm not gonna share. I'm not gonna share that.
Who are you gonna share with?
I don't know.
Your Facebook friends? What's up?
Maybe I'll send out a tweet on Facebook news feed. Shouldn't I have share? Maybe I'll do a story instead.
Instagram? But then
Oh, I can't.
you can do pro.
Whatever.
No share.
I'm not gonna share anything. All right, so then I hit done. If we go into view, edit maps. So this is the stock map if I ever wanted to go back to it. This is the current ECM calibration. What we're gonna do now is figure out a way to mount the fuel pack on the bike because I wanna leave it connected for diagnostic purposes and for auto tuning. That'll come in a later video. This can probably just stay clipped on here like it was before. That clips back on there, and then I can just slide this in there. Just tuck that in there. It seems like it's pretty snug in there, so I'm not gonna worry about zip tying it or anything. This isn't going anywhere. And I'm just gonna put the cover back on. Pretty much opposite of removal. Just slide on the top. Clicks into place. Make sure our tab goes under the bracket. And then secure the screw. All right, so this is going to be the first startup after tuning with the Vance Hines Fuelpak FP3 on a 2012 Dyna Fat Bob. Well guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. And please subscribe.